Hello friends, this video shows you essay on Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel in English. Okay, let's start the video. Sardar Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel is one of the freedom fighters of India. Sardar Patel's contribution to the Indian freedom struggle has been remarkable and incomparable. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel, the Iron Man of India, was born on October 31st, 1875 in Nadiad, Gujarat. His father, Chaudhary Bhai Patel, was a farmer. Patel was a freedom fighter and participated in many freedom struggles against the British authorities. He was a close associate to Mahatma Gandhi and he joined the Indian National Congress. Sardar Vallabh Bhai Patel was jailed many times because he participated in the freedom struggle. Patel was elected for the post of Home Minister soon after India got independence, and he went to become the Deputy Prime Minister too. He was a dynamic leader who had a firm belief in unity, and he was one of the leaders who brought the people of the country together. Patel died on 15th December 1950 after suffering a massive heart attack at Birla House in Bombay, now Mumbai, in Maharashtra, India. His ideologies of integration have laid the foundation of unity. He was conferred as the Bharat Ratna Award posthumously in 1991. Thanks for watching the video. Please share and subscribe.